Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to remove Snapchat filter from a photo. First, we want to open Snapchat, so click on Snapchat. After clicking, a Snapchat Snapdeal starts in front of you. Once Snapdeal is in front of you, you can see this is Snapchat. Today, we will see how we can remove the filter from a photo. For this, you want to click on this button. After clicking on this button, a new tab will start, different from what you're currently viewing. Once the new tab is in front of you, here, you will see there are a lot of pictures available. Right here, we will click on this picture. After clicking on this picture will be present in front of you. To remove the filter of this video, we will click on three dots at the top. After clicking, a small format will open in front of you. In this format, there are a lot of options, but we will click on Edit Snapdeal Snap. After clicking, the small format will close. For removing or changing the filter, I'll just swipe right and the filter will be changed automatically. Then, at last, you will see the picture without the filter. That was a way to remove and change the filter in Snapchat. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.